Hey Kaushi, have you ever came across the term Esprit de Corps?
Yeah, Harni. Esprit de corps is a French term that means the spirit of the body and refers to a sense of unity, teamwork, and loyalty. It can be applied to a variety of groups, including military units, sales teams, and organizations. Do you have any examples for Esprit de corps?
I guess I could say Ferrari, because at Ferrari, Esprit de Corps embodies the deep pride, unity, and passion of its team. Whether it's in engineering or racing, everyone works toward a shared goal, excellence and victory. The entire team, from designers to drivers, collaborate with precision, driven by Ferrari's legacy and commitment to pushing boundaries. This spirit of unity helps Ferrari overcome challenges, stay innovative, and maintain its iconic status in both the automotive and Formula One worlds. Kaushi, do you have any other examples of Esprit de Corps?
Yeah, I would like to add a Rolls-Royce as an example because Rolls-Royce Esprit de corps reflects as a deep sense of pride and unity among its team. Every employee from craftsmen to engineers works with precision and passion driven by a commitment to excellence. The brand's rich heritage and focus on luxury craftsmanship bind the team together, ensuring that each car meets the highest standards of perfection. The shared dedication to innovation, tradition, and customer satisfaction fosters a strong cohesive spirit where everyone feels part of legacy, striving for a common goal delivering the pinnacle of automotive luxury.
So, in conclusion, the concept of Esprit de Corps emphasizes the importance of unity, teamwork, and the shared sense of purpose among members of a group or organization. It fosters strong relationships, boosts morale, and enhances collaboration, ultimately leading to greater efficiency and success. Cultivating Esprit de Corps can result in increased loyalty, improved communication, and a more positive organizational culture, enabling members to work together towards common goals while supporting one another in times of challenge. Thank you.